Welcome to EcoGlitz, your go-to channel for smart tech solutions, productivity hacks, and digital security tips. If you love simplifying technology, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification bell so that you never miss an update. Now let's dive into today's topic. The day my laptop died and took everything with it.
Imagine this. You're working late into the night. The room is silent, except for the soft hum of your laptop, the glow of the screen, the only light in the room. Your files, your projects, your memories, everything you've built over the years, stored safely inside. And then, in an instant, it all disappears. One moment, your laptop is humming along. The next, a flicker, a faint clicking sound, and then total darkness. No warning, no error message, just blackness. Your heart races. You press the power button. Nothing. You check the charger. Nothing. You try again. And again. Still. Nothing. Panic sets in. Your hands start shaking. This can't be happening, but it is. Your laptop, the one thing holding your most important files, years of hard work, priceless memories, is gone. The moment you realize you have no backup. The next day morning, you rush to a repair shop, praying for a miracle. The technician takes one look, runs a few tests, then he looks at you and says the words that feel like a punch to the gut. The hard drive is dead. There's nothing we can do. Your stomach drops. Your mind races. Every document, every spreadsheet, every photo, every password lost forever. You thought this kind of thing only happened to other people. You thought your laptop was reliable. You thought you had time to back everything up. But now, time has run out. What if you could go back in time? What if you could hit rewind on this nightmare? What if, with just a few clicks, you could restore everything as if nothing had ever happened? That's exactly what a smart backup and restore solution does. And the best part? You don't have to break the bank to protect your data. So, how do you make sure this never happens to you? Now that you've seen what can go wrong, let's talk about how to make it right before disaster strikes. We offer 3 powerful solutions to protect your data and give you peace of mind. Cloud regular backup. Your files are stored in a secure cloud, ensuring you can access them from anywhere, but cloud backups can be costly and rely on internet access. Regular offline backup. A simple and effective way to store your data on an external drive. But it needs to be done manually. Data recovery. If you've already lost data, this can help retrieve what's possible. But it's expensive, time-consuming, and not always successful. The smartest and most economical choice is here: regular automated offline backup. Because it's the perfect balance of reliability, your data is backed up without relying on the internet. Affordability, no expensive cloud storage fees. Automation, no manual effort. Your backups happen on schedule automatically. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect your work, your memories, and your peace of mind with the best and most cost-effective backup solution. Because technology fails, but you don't have to. Let me share my experience. I had been working long hours on multiple projects. One late night, after completing one of my projects, I saved all my work and went to bed. Everything seemed smooth, but the next morning, when I turned on my laptop, I was greeted with the blue screen of death. I tried multiple methods to recover my system, but nothing worked. The good news? I had saved all my project files on an external hard disk. The bad news? My entire laptop setup, including all applications, settings, and configurations, was lost. Rebuilding my work environment was a huge challenge. Over the years, I had made countless small tweaks and customizations that weren't documented. Now, all of that was gone. Luckily, during the COVID period, I had created a full system backup. I restored my laptop using that backup, and after spending nearly half a day, I got most things back in place. But even then, I wasn't sure what recent changes I had lost. Now, as new requirements arise, I am manually adding back missing configurations. But this experience taught me a valuable lesson. I can't take any more chances. Since then, I've been following a regular offline scheduled backup routine to protect my system. Now, let me show you how to use Acronis Backup and Restore to create a full system backup and restore it whenever needed. Acronis Backup and Restore is a reliable way to protect your system. Let's begin by creating a full system backup using Acronis. First, open the Acronis application on your computer. Now, set the backup name and destination. I am naming my backup as My PC Full Backup. Choose a destination path where you want to store the backup. It can be an external hard disk, a network drive, or local storage. You can select any location based on your preference. To start the backup process, click on Proceed with Backup. The system will begin backing up all data. This may take some time. While the backup is in progress, let's explore some key features of Acronis. Under Archive, you can efficiently archive data to free up space. Acronis True Image allows you to sync your data across multiple devices, including smartphones and tablets, if you have an Acronis True Image account. Now, let's go through some important tools in Acronis. Clone Disk helps you clone your operating system and applications to a new hard disk. Rescue Media Builder creates a bootable media, allowing you to restore your system when it becomes unbootable. Acronis Universal. Restore helps restore the operating system and applications on different hardware platforms, meaning you can recover your system on another device. Parallels. Access allows you to remotely access your device using a mobile device. Try and Decide lets you test a backup before restoring it fully. System Cleanup ensures that unnecessary files are removed to improve performance. Acronis. Secure Zone is a protected storage area for your backups. Acronis Drive Cleanser permanently deletes data from old storage devices. Third-party tools provide additional tools from Acronis partners. In the Settings menu, you can find advanced configurations. Under the Account section, you can check product details and manage licenses. Once the backup is successfully completed, Acronis provides additional options. Replica allows you to replicate your backup to the Acronis cloud for extra security. The activity log provides details about the backup, including backup size, speed, time taken, and data recovery method. Recovery options allow you to restore your entire PC, specific disks, partitions, or selected files. In Acronis Backup and Restore, setting up a scheduled backup routine is simple and efficient. Under the Backup tab, you will find an Options button that opens the Disk Backup Options menu. Here, you can configure a schedule based on your needs. You can choose to back up your system daily, weekly, or monthly. In this case, I am selecting a monthly backup scheduled for the first Saturday of every month at 6 p.m. This ensures that backups run automatically at the specified time without requiring manual intervention. Next, in the Backup Scheme section, you can choose how your backups are stored. You have three options: Full Backup, which creates a complete copy of your system; Incremental Backup, which saves only the changes made since the last backup, reducing storage usage; and Differential Backup, which saves changes made since the last full backup. allowing for faster recovery. Selecting the right scheme helps optimize storage while maintaining data security. Additionally, Acronis provides extra customization options such as notifications, which allow you to receive alerts on backup completion or failures, exclusions, where you can define specific files or folders to leave out of backups, and advanced settings, which let you configure compression, encryption, and retention policies. By setting up a scheduled backup with the right options, you can protect your data, minimize downtime, and ensure quick recovery whenever needed. Now, let's test the restoration process. Shut down your laptop and turn it back on. Tap the boot menu key to access the boot menu. The key varies depending on the brand of your laptop. Select the bootable USB with Acronis recovery. Wait for Acronis to load. This may take some time. Once Acronis opens, choose the recover option since we are restoring the system. Browse and select the backup file. In my case, I am selecting my PC full backup. Next, choose the recovery method. You can either restore the full disk or only selected partitions. I am selecting full disk recovery. Now, choose the latest recovery point to restore the most recent backup. Select all partitions to ensure a complete restore. The system will analyze partitions, which may take some time. Choose the destination disk where you want the backup to be restored. Click on Proceed to start the recovery process. Once the recovery is complete, the laptop will restart automatically. After reboot, the system should load normally with all restored data. With Acronis Backup and Restore, you can efficiently protect your system from unexpected failures. Regularly backing up your data ensures minimal downtime and peace of mind. By following scheduled offline backups, you can avoid data loss and system crashes in the future.
Ready to safeguard your data? Let's do it today. Never lose your data. After watching the video and my experience, you might have realized how important it is to protect the valuable information. I sincerely hope, by God's grace, that you have never faced data loss. Touch wood. But don't wait for a disaster to strike. Take action now to safeguard your data before sadness greets you unexpectedly. If you need any further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below or get in touch with us. We are here to help you stay protected. If you like this video and found it helpful, please share this video with your friends, relatives, and your circle for whom you take care most. Subscribe to EcoGlitz for more tech tips and smart solutions. Drop a comment below if in case you had a worse data loss story.